Good morning, everyone. I just wanted to make a short video on how to complete the morning check-in. So you'll begin by clicking morning check-in in your assignments. Once you log in, you'll see this page. The first thing you need to do is write your first and last name. So I will type in my name, Miss McKenzie. Next, you'll go to the next question, which is, how are you feeling today? I am ready to work, happy, sleepy, upset, silly, sick, or sad. So you're going to go ahead and click how you're feeling today. I am ready to work, so I went ahead and clicked I am ready to work. Then you'll scroll down to your next question, which is, do you have anything to tell me? And this can be anything you want to share with me about school, about life, what's going on at your house. So I put that I am working hard to get your online classes ready. The next question is, were you able to find all of your work for today? So you'll click yes or no. And then the next question is, do you need any help getting started with your assignments? Yes or no. Again, I want you guys to be honest. If you're having trouble, please let me know so that I can help you. And then our last question is, what questions do you have about your assignment? So some of you might have trouble logging in, or your question might be, I don't understand what the question is asking me. Can you please help me? Whatever questions you have, just make sure you type them in here. Or if maybe that day you don't have any questions, just put no. But you do have to type something in, otherwise it will come out as an error. Next, you go down here and then you click the submit button. And as soon as you submit it, I get an email right away and I'm able to review all of your answers and I can get back to you as soon as I open up my email. I try to open them up as soon as I get them so that I can help you guys out. And I hope that this video helps you guys. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to me through Remind, through Google Classroom, or if your parents want to privately email me, whatever works best for you. Thank you.